Natasha from Infinite Lash Products again. Hello. Today I'm going to show you guys how I will cleanse my clients' lashes when they come in before their lash fill. So I use our product, the Infinit Clean. It's a foaming lash wash. It's amazing. It actually has antiseptic properties, so it can remove like bacteria and stuff from around their lash lines. When you open it, it looks like this. It has a foam pump, and then it has a brush, which is also great because you can actually buy these wholesale from us and then retail it to your client so they can take it home and do it themselves. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how we do this. Okay, so this is everything I use to cleanse my clients' lashes when they come in. So Malia's in for a fill. So I have a makeup sponge, and then I have a flock tip applicator, and of course our Infinit Clean foaming cleanser. So first thing I do, just take the lid off. Then I'll just apply a pump to the sponge, and I like to do it not over their face, but like just to the side in case anything were to kind of like unexpectedly squirt out. So just a pump like that. Then I will take the cleanser over to her lashes and the flock tip applicator and just kind of get a good amount on the applicator and just kind of work my way through the lashes. So it's okay if you get it obviously like up on their lash line. Sometimes clients will come in with makeup on, and this does a really good job of removing it. Or if you just kind of want to help prep your client's eyes before you do their lashes. So I like the flock tip applicators too because they don't snag the lashes or cause any damage. So just kind of like above, underneath. You can even use this if you wanted. There's no right or wrong way to do it, but you just want to make sure that you're cleaning them very well. And then I would just go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye once I was done with this one. And then you can brush them out, which I will show you. So you can see kind of if they're still clean or not. And then at the very end, I would just rinse both of her eyes, pat them dry, and then just start working.